I mean, sitting with Fia and Matthias, it quickly becomes clear that these are two guys with a devotion and a dedication and matched with a vision for where they're going to take this series. You know, the challenge becomes even more precise. Working with larger format arrays which are going to be deployed in inherently smaller format, and to be able to produce the same experience and quality and audio for everybody, this is their number one focus.
We gave the KSL the same acoustical properties, so you can get the same benefits that some people have experienced with the GSL so far. These benefits are, of course, resulting from the broadband directivity, the lower excitation of the reverberant field, which results in a much greater listening experience, a much more direct listening experience. And, of course, outdoors, we are emitting much less energy in the environment where we don't want to have it.
Having experienced a couple of times how seamlessly you can deploy two GSL hangs next to one another, it's just a continuation of the same benefits. Scaled down one way, but scaled up another way because you have a larger vertical display possibility.
Analyzing the typical application sizes of productions, be it mobile or be it installed, we categorize certain fields and certain types of things, and we have a very good overview where currently the J, Y and the V series fit, and it's clear, of course, where the KSL system will position itself into the market.
If you take a look at where V series or J series have been deployed, so it's the larger club shows all the way up to pretty serious stadium shows. So this wide gamut, this is what KSL enables with a combination of size, weight and output, very similar to J series. So there's a lot of work for the system.
Of course, our prototype tests do not happen in the largest arenas available. They also happen in medium-sized rooms, in medium-sized arenas. And to me, it's the big surprise how the KSL can actually bring these properties to real life in everyday rooms.
The complete package that we offer, including the rigging, transport, proved to be the right decision on the GSL system. Of course, the same thing now applies for KSL. You're going to be surprised.